Taj Mahal, Agra. It was built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his wife Mumtaz Mahal, with construction starting in 1632 AD and completed in 1648 AD. With the mosque, the guest house and the main gateway on the south, the outer courtyard and its cloisters were added subsequently and completed in 1653 AD. It was built by the 5th Mughal Emperor, Shah Jahan, in 1631 in memory of his third but the most favorite wife, in fact a soul-mate, Mumtaz Mahal, a Muslim Persian princess. She died while accompanying her husband in Burhanpur in a campaign to crush a rebellion after giving birth to their 13th child. The Taj Mahal is a famous monument in India. It was built by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in loving memory of his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal. The Taj Mahal is made of white marble and has a beautiful garden. It has a big dome and 4 smaller domes. Taj Mahal is essentially a tomb built in the memory of Shah Jahan's wife, Mumtaz Mahal. Taj Mahal is also famous as the symbol of love. The popular dome and the pillars around the Taj Mahal are common in medieval Mughal architecture. In 1982, the Taj Mahal was designated as a World Heritage Site by UNESCO. The Taj Mahal was designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1983 for being the jewel of Muslim art in India and one of the universally admired masterpieces of the world's heritage. It is regarded by many as the best example of Mughal architecture and a symbol of India's rich history. Legends say that Shah Jahan was adamant for Taj Mahal to be an exquisite masterpiece without an equal. He chopped the hands of the workers and gouged their eyes out so no one could even attempt a retake after creating the Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal, the legend. Also known as Mumtaz Mahal, the chosen one of the palace, she was the second of several wives of the 5th Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan (1628–1658), who commissioned the building. It is said that they met when they were only 15 years old and it was love at first sight, marrying 5 years later. Within the screen are the upper cenotaphs of Mumtaz Mahal and Shah Jahan, what Lahori and Kanbo call surat-i-qabr, the likenesses of tombs. As usual in imperial Mughal mausoleums, the actual burials are below, in the lower tomb chamber, under cenotaphs of similar design. It was built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his wife Mumtaz Mahal, with construction starting in 1632 AD and completed in 1648 AD. With the mosque, the guest house and the main gateway on the south, the outer courtyard and its cloisters were added subsequently and completed in 1653 AD. Abdul Hamid Lahori, in his book from 1636 Padshahnama, refers to the Taj Mahal as Rawza-i-Munawwara, Perso-Arabic. Rada-i-Munawwara, meaning the illumined or illustrious tomb. The name, Taj, might have been derived from the corruption of the second syllable of Mumtaz. Mumtaz Mahal died in 1631 in Burhanpur, Deccan, present-day Madhya Pradesh, during the birth of her 14th child, a daughter named Ghaur-Ara Begum. Shah Jahan had the Taj Mahal built as a tomb for her, which is considered to be a monument of undying love. O soul, thou art at rest. Return to the Lord at peace with him, and he at peace with you. Arabic inscriptions in black marble are used to decorate both the south gateway and main mausoleum. The black marble lettering is inlaid into white marble scroll-like borders that frame the architectural features. Its name is believed to have been drawn from Persian, Taj, meaning crown, and Mahal, meaning palace, thus making this the palace of the crown. Interestingly, the queen in whose memory it was built, originally named Arjuman Begum, held the name Mumtaz Mahal, meaning the crown of the palace. Taj Mahal is the love symbol of the great king of Agra. It is built using white marble, which gives it attractive and amazing look. It has been called by the Rabindranath Tagore as a dream in marble. The story of Emperor Shah Jahan and his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal is one story which has stood the test of time in the pages of history and the daily life of humanity in the form of Taj Mahal since it was established in 1631. Taj Mahal is not only beautiful due being an incredible monument of marble, but also because of marvelously located on the holy banks of River Yamuna. The location of Taj Mahal makes it glowing more and picture perfect. The Taj Mahal was built as a tomb for Mumtaz Mahal, chosen one of the palace, by her husband, the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan, reigned 1628–58. She died in childbirth in 1631, after having been the emperor's inseparable companions since their marriage in 1612. There may not be enough adjectives and synonyms to describe the Taj Mahal in Agra: ethereal, majestic, grand, imposing, statuesque, beautiful, stunning, and the list will remain endless. The whole complex is a rectangle measuring 1,900 feet, 580 meters by 1,000 feet, 305 meters, aligned north and south. In the center of the rectangle is a garden area 1,000 feet on a side, leaving an oblong area at each end. At the south is the sandstone gateway and other buildings. It is one of the 7 wonders of the world and is a work of art by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. In fact, it is one of the few places in the world where one can witness an uninterrupted fall and rise of water and the best example of a water-carved monument. In conclusion, the Taj Mahal is not just a monument, it is a testament to love, artistry, and culture. Its historical significance, architectural grandeur, and deep-rooted love story make it a symbol of India's heritage and a source of inspiration for people worldwide. Dear audience, don't forget to like, subscribe and follow. Thanks everyone.